Welcome at forextrading.com. It's 33 minutes after 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's 4th of February 2011. Let's take a look at indices. We are talking about S&P contracts. S&P 500 is consolidating in this beautiful rectangle pattern. So we are talking about the main two possibilities. The price behavior will test another time this strong important support resistance when the last time fake breakup occurred, or we will try to break this pattern through to the upside without any other lower level testing. I think both possibilities are equal probable. I'm thinking about positive testing, so you should have to wait till the price will break out to the upside and then take a breath and follow through, that we would not be stuck in this one of those fake breakouts when they occur for 20 points, for example, and they come back to the this rectangle comfortable zone. So generally the trend is strong, and we are talking about following move of the uptrend. So either way, the price will take another breath and go to the upside or go straight to the upside. The probability of uptrend movement is much bigger right now than any lower level action. We are talking about Friday, so it is kind of a sentiment of the weekday. So if the price move much lower, it might be doing also some kind of panic that investors will try to pull out some contracts from S&P. So it could be going a little bit lower if the price will be pushed down to this support resistance level. So be careful if you're trying to buy some at interesting levels, because some fake breakouts could occur in near future as well if this level will be tested. So at currencies, it looks a little bit different. Yesterday we had a publication, that data report, the interest rates in Europe. So from the very light breadth of the market, we came into the sellers coming in, and right now they seem to be stopped out for a few moments at support resistance. We'll see if the market will come back to the big trend, which is much more probable than going lower and lower, even though at 30 minutes it looks like the probability of another downtrend movement is high. But another thing saying to us that we might see another uptrend movement, coming back to the big growing trend, is the pound price behavior. Pound is growing rapidly right now. Pound is much more in demand stadium. So if please take a look at this. At the Eurodollar chart, we see this beautiful rectangle, which would be a continuation pattern to the downside. If the price breakout, take a breath and go down another time, I would be very much interested in going short in this move, and it might be a strong move to the downside. But at 4-hour chart, we see the move stopped out at some particular level, so we might see also some uptrend movement. And look at the pound, which is very much correlated with euro dollar. We are talking about the same rectangle here, only the pound broke out and it's moving aggressively to the upside. So one might be driving another. If the pound move very strong to the upside, we can't really see aggressive downtrend movement and euro dollar, and opposite way, if euro dollar move aggressively lower, we can't probably see much more higher and higher movement at pound. So be careful for that. You have to watch this correlation of those two. So market might be interesting today, because I'm very curious if the sentiment of the week will push some prices lower to show us that euro dollar will go down, or we're gonna close up with the basic big trend growing. The prices will shoot a little bit higher, like they trying to do right now at pound, and they will close somewhere around here, or even maybe at some support resistance level. But right now it doesn't seem to me at this point, this minute, that buyers are so strong that might be pushing higher and higher those prices, unless the pound will drive euro dollar to the upside. Looking at the gold 4-hour chart, we see the breakout occurred, beautiful breakout I was talking about a few days ago, couple of days ago, that the price might be breaking out to the upside, and we will be coming back to the big growing trend seen at daily chart, and coming back to 4-hour chart. We see the breakout occurred, the price is closed down here a few times, few candles, and right now it's testing support resistance. If it's gonna be coming back to the upside, we might be seeing in medium and long term trade with the big trend growing. And if the prices will come back to the comfortable zone, we're gonna see another time of comfortable movement in this area, and the price might be shooting up in the sky as well, going down from this another pattern. But right now we have a chance the support resistance will be tested positively. I mean, the price will come back to the upside. In other words saying, interesting setup, very much interesting for very big aggressive, maybe aggressive movement. Please also consider that this kind of pattern, I mean head and shoulders pattern, might give us a signal to the upside for 200, for 400 pips. That's what we are talking about as a signal from this pattern. And it all depends of the next buyers if the signal will be continued, because the market can go up to the next support resistance to this point from this head and shoulders pattern, and come back to the downside aggressively as well to test this level, or to break it through and go even lower. So this change trend pattern might be suggesting that we might see some kind of movement, but it doesn't have to be all the way to the last support highest points of resistance. So please consider this. If the move might be, if the move have to occur, we have to see the signal from this change trend pattern, and then another buyers coming in again to the market to continue this big trend of this commodity. So that would be it for now. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions or doubts, please email me at info@forextrading.com. Thank you very much.